Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect Epson printer to Android phone step by step clearly. First, ensure your Epson printer is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Android phone. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for the Epson iPrint app in the search bar. Tap on the Epson iPrint app from the search results. Press the Install button to download and install the app. Once installed, open the Epson iPrint app. Grant any necessary permissions for the app to access your photos and local network. You will see a list of available printers. Select your Epson printer from the list displayed. If your printer is not listed, ensure it is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Once selected, the app will connect to your printer. You may see a prompt to set up the printer if it's the first time you're connecting. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete any required setup. After the setup, you can now print documents or photos directly from your phone. To print a document, tap on the Print Photos or Print Documents option in the app. Choose the file you want to print from your device. Adjust any print settings such as paper size or number of copies if needed. Tap the Print button to send the document to your printer. Wait for the printer to process the job and print your document. Once done, your printed document will be ready for you to collect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.